are going to love the 2018 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, security system, tachometer, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.